Guys, are you using ChatGPT? Well, I have some secret news for you. The team behind ChatGPT has announced the development of a pro version, which was first revealed on the ChatGPT Discord server on January 10th. Here is the announcement. You can see, right? Well, the pro plan is not officially available yet now. As you can see that it will cost $42 per month. If you are interested in gaining access to this pro plan, all you have to do is to fill out a Google form, the link to which can be found in the original announcement message on the Discord server. If you are not on Discord, I will drop the link in the description of this video. But what exactly will you get with the pro version compared to the free version? Well, with the free plan, ChatGPT may not be available during the times of high demand and will have standard response speed and regular model updates. However, with pro plan, ChatGPT always be available even during the times of demand with faster response speed and priority access to the new features. I have heard some of the users experiencing issues with the pro version such as capacity errors even after paid subscription. It is possible due to the large number of the recent users, but I believe ChatGPT team is working to resolve these issues as soon as possible. So what do you think about the pricing? Do you think it's a fair price or do you think it's a bit too high? Let us know in the comment section. I am excited to hear your thoughts on the new pro version of ChatGPT.